Hello there, this is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. Thank you so much for stopping by on our channel and check this video out. In this video, we're going to share with you a story from NIr Levy. NIr bought a house from renovated by MOG Improvement Services 2 years ago, and we're going to share with you his compelling story. Check this out.
My name is NIr. I bought this home 2.5 years ago. Quickly found myself struggling to afford the increasing rent and realized that the smartest thing to do would be to become a homeowner. I really like that this home has an open, warm environment. Right when you walk in through the door, you can sort of appreciate the size of the house. The fact that it had a backyard shed, the fact that it had a huge bedroom, twice the size of any master bedroom I'd had previously. Those were nice to haves, but really we wanted a home that was comfortable and open. Buying a home really for me has created permanence and stability in my life. That when I was looking at buying a home, for it to be under the price point that I could afford, I was looking at homes that were not in great condition. And most people, if we think about our parents, the largest asset they have is their home. So I wanted a place that not just was affordable at the present time, but had growth, new growth all around. So close to the belt line, close to lots of jobs being created, close to lots of construction that's ongoing. Being close to those things made me confident that my investment would appreciate. So when I came here and saw that everything was in order, everything was just renovated, it took the burden off my shoulders of having to worry about fixing this, fixing that. And I thought I couldn't afford anything worthwhile at all until I found this home that Victor renovated for me. You know, when I bought this house, my girlfriend at the time moved in with me. We later got engaged. So it's really the memories between the walls that make it special. Thanks to you, I'm a homeowner.